Guys, today I'm making a assistant in 5 seconds 5 minutes with the help of Google. So let's start. Open Google, search for Dialogflow. Click on that, scroll up at, click on Dialogflow. You can zoom like this. Wait for few seconds, it will come. See, it came. Click on that. Open. Click on this. You can see. You can see this. Oh, okay. Where? Okay. I will show you how to create first. Create a new agent. Click on the agent name. I will choose what I will choose. I will choose bot Iron Man. Oh, and iron. We should continue with. We should not have any gap in the middle. Iron Man, and set to create. Wait for a few seconds. See, you will go to intent. Go to settings and click on the Iron Man, the nut like structure settings. At the general, you will scroll and tap on the beta feature. Okay, beta feature. Wait for a few seconds. You can see here anything. You can test your assistant. I will say hi.
Hi.
I will increase the volume one. Hi again.
Hi.
See, here I wrote hi. So it will tell how. Open settings and go to small talk. Okay. Here you can see enable. Okay, click on that. You can see enable. You can give like this. Okay, you can go to about the agent. Who are you? I am Iron Man. How old are you? Sorry. You can give anything. You are annoying. Sorry. You are a chatbot. Yes, I am. You can give anything to this, okay? And click on the save. It will take few seconds. And try this. It will say, good day. What can I do for you today? We did not put actions. So we will go to knowledge base. Knowledge. Here you can see knowledge beta. Knowledge beta. Create a knowledge base. Click on that. I will only 2 letters we can keep or anything. I will keep IR. It will take few seconds. Create first one. Click on this. GENERAL general. Knowledge type FAQ. Okay. And text HTML. You will see you can't go to this. You can't go to this URL. You can and click on this. For example, I will keep YouTube. You can click here and create. Here you created a knowledge beta and go to integrations. Okay, click on that. You will enable this web demo and click on this web demo. You can change here what you can change. Okay, you can change here and I will go to this one. Ask for something. I will ask hi. Hi. We did not enable the microphone. Okay, we will say who are you? I am Iron Man. See, it will replay. Okay, you should you want to get this want to get this assistant in the main page. I will show how to. Here Iron Man is there now. Go to integrations. and click on Dialogflow phone gateway. Next. You will see one phone number here. So get a screenshot of it. And set to create. Click on environment, draft. Dismiss, and go to back. And we should go to that, and we should click this number first. It will say like that. And ask the Google Assistant. It will say like that. You should tell the Google Assistant to talk to Test My App, and you will find your Iron Man or anything you can. So friends, this is how I show. Let's try it. Okay.